Romanticisms approximate late 18th mid 19th century. What happened when emotion becomes more powerful than reason? When nature speaks louder than sights and imagination dares to challenge reality. Welcome to Romanticism, a literary movement that celebrates deep feelings, personal freedom, and the beauty of nature. In this video, we will explore what Romanticism really is, why writers reject strict rules, and how poets like William Wordsworth, Coleridge, Keats, and Shelley challenged literature forever. If you love literature filled with passion, mystery, and imagination, this journey into Romanticism is for you. Definitions. Romanticism was a literary, artistic, and intellectual movement that emphasized emotions, imagination, individual experience, and the beauty of nature over reason and classical order. It was in many ways a reaction against of the rationalism of the Enlightenment and the industrialization of society. Key characteristics of Romanticisms: emotion over reasons, imagination and creativity, celebration of nature, individualism and personal freedom, interest in the sublimes and the supernatural, focus on the past and exotics. Major romantic writer and works: country, writers or works: England, United States, Germany, France. Literary analysis of Romanticism. Theme: nature as a reflection of the human soul, individual emotion and personal freedom, imagination as a bridge to higher truth, avatar, and the sublime. Critique of industrial society and social conventions. Styles: rich imagery, lyrical language, and expressive tone. Sublimes draw for nature's history or myth. Focus on the inner life and subjective experience. Impact: Romanticism influenced poetry, novel, and visual art. It paved the way for later movement like transcendentalism in the US and the sublimes and the symbolism in France. It remains a celebration of human emotion, creativity, and the beauty of the truth natural world. Romanticism reminded us that the literature is not just about rules or structures, but about feeling deeply, imagining freely, and connecting with the nature and the self. Through emotion, imagination, and visuality, romantic writer give us a new way to see the world, a world where the heart speaks as louder than the mind. If this video helped you understand romanticism better, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and in-depth literature content. Comments below and tell me which romantic poet or theme inspires you the most. Thank you for watching. See you in the next literary journey.